Hello viewers, you are welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. You are welcome, we are glad to have you here. You are welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. So today we want to thank our viewers, people that have been following us in our YouTube, for those that have been comment and subscribe to this channel. I want to say thank you so much. So today we're going to be looking at a website that can actually help you to get your phone fixed. Tell you that you screen, battery, just name it, board, your iPhone, tablet, and any other gadget that you have. So today we are going to be looking at some of the websites. So before we start, if you have any information for us that you like to get across to us, just send us a WhatsApp message at this number here. Just send a WhatsApp message and we're going to reply to you as fast as possible. So just send us a WhatsApp message on this line. Send us a WhatsApp message on this line, and we're so glad to here is the number. So send us a WhatsApp message to us 234-83860-895, or you can just send us an email on this line as techworld at gmail.com. So if you have any message you want to send to us, just send us a WhatsApp message or an email. The email is techworlddirect@gmail.com. So we are so glad to respond to you. And don't forget also that if you want to get any gadgets, laptops, iPhone, iPad, just name the gadget, just send us a WhatsApp message and I'm going to respond to you, and also send us an email as techworlddirect@gmail.com. So we are working on bringing up new insightful information and tips on how you can the latest updates on technology world and gadget tips. So we're going to be bringing up to this. So but today we want to look at a website that you can actually go if you actually want to get some fix your phone, or you have an issue and want to know more about your phones or iPhone, Xmas, iPhone 12, 11 Pro. Just name the iPhone, or the iPhone that you know that has, whether it has battery issue, board issue. So this website is going to give you an heads up of what you need to do, even though you don't have any experience on engineering or being a phone engineer or a gadget engineer. So before we dive into today's tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and again click on the notification button, so anytime you are dropping a new video you are going to be notified. Anytime you are dropping a new content, a new tutorial, you are going to be notified. And thank you so much for bringing us this far, for those that have been supporting us, viewing our content, subscribing and sharing. I want to say God bless you so much. So we haven't get to this stage. Our target is for us to reach as much as 1 million subscribers. So please don't forget to share this and let people have an audience. So one of the things you need to do is let's go back to here. So now the first one on the list here is the first one is we have the instant fix here. You can see it here, instant fix. So I don't worry, I'm gonna bring out the domain for us here, so you can see it here. So you can see here the website, so you can see it. So I just make it gold, so you can see here instant iBooks. So don't forget the spelling and pronunciation. So let us run through to the interface of the website. So you can see it here. Just name the phone: iPod, iPad, MacBook, computers, all the phones that you can just think of, Samsung, Note 9, and many more like that. So you can actually just go to your manual, and anything that you need, I can actually put you through how to go about it. It's so fast and so easy. So the next one on our list here is we have another one. This one is called Fix. Yeah, Quick Fix here. So you have Fix here. You can see here. You know what, I'm going to bring out the name. So for us to see, you can see it here, Quick Fix, iPhone.com. So just go there and everything is going to be settled. It's going to be settled for you. So you don't have to worry about any situation at all. So the next one you can see, let us go on to the traffic. You can see interface, iPad, mini, and mini MacBook. So every other information is already listed there. All you just have to do is just follow the guidelines, the templates that is being stated or is being stipulated. So the next one is here. iFixit.com. iFixit. Let me bring out the website. So we have here. Let me give here. So you can see it here. iFixit.com. So at iFixit.com, this one it has one of the best interfaces for all phones. For all phones, you can see it here for iPhones. If you're having body issues, you can see here how to test an iPhone battery. You can see it here how to apply scratch coating, how to check your iPhone battery belt. It's going to give you all the details from your iPhone accessory, iPhone SE, iPhone 13 mini, just name it, 13 Pro Max. You can see there it's going to give 12 Pro Max, 12 mini. So just name it. Every phone that you're looking for, iPhones, just name it tablet. This website is going to break it down for you. Like a minute, it's going to break everything down into small details for you. So the next one here that is going to actually be of help to us is I have another one. It's called imyphone.com. imyphone.com. You can see it here. imyphone.com is also a very valuable website. But what I have, every one of it, you are all going to enjoy it. You are all going to enjoy it. So it's going to put it through how you're going to do it, how to fix it, the basic tools you need, the basic accessories that you need, whether you need a nut, you need a what's it called, a touchlight gadget. Every tools is going to be. It's going to tell you the size of what you need to fix this one, whether it's iPhone 7, iPhone 8, or iPhone 11, or iPhone 12. It's going to push you through every instrument that you need and where you can also get it. So you're going to be doing another video showing you where you can actually get iPhone accessories in very good and good quality. We're going to be talking that, so you can watch out for that. You can watch out for that rather. So don't mind me. So you can just watch out for that, and we're going to be doing that. But now, we just want you to go to this website, have an interaction with the website, and see how it can actually be of benefit for you. Don't forget, on this channel we share very insightful tips on gadgets, technology, and any other accessory. So if you have friends that actually want them to know about this website, you can share it to them. Don't forget, if you have any question, just send us a WhatsApp message on this line, or you can just on this line here, or you can just send us an email also on this line. So we're going to be glad to respond to you. Please don't forget, click on the subscribe button and also on the notification button at the same time, so as we're dropping a new video you are going to be notified. And please don't forget to share this video with friends and family. God bless you, and see you next time.